Well, guys, this is not a drill. It is official. We are moving into alt season. And this is again where times are very exciting for Shib. In fact, Shiba Inu is already starting to make that move we've been talking about. Even the move I mentioned yesterday, it had started to push, it started to break out. And I want to talk about what this means for Shib and other assets moving forward from here. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So Shiba Inu is looking great right now, pushing the top of its trend. It's slightly broken out. We actually got all the way up to 40276. Looking great. Actually, right now we are the best performing meme coin in the top 200. So that's a very exciting sign. So we're kind of leading the way. We're a little bit decorrelated from most assets in the space right now. And we've talked about the reasons why this is. Shib has been suppressed for so long, price has been pushed down, and it's been this just pressure mounting. And we're finally starting to see that break out a little bit to the tune of almost 5% daily candles so far. So this is just since 6 p.m. last night. It's been about 12 hours. So obviously see what the day decides to bring here. And again, this is happening, without Ethereum making a big move. This is happening without BTC really doing much. It's actually a start of a red day. So this is a great sign. But what is even more exciting about this, guys, is when we look at what BTC dominance is doing. This is something we've been watching very, very closely. I can get rid of this measuring right now because we are, in fact, at our 200-day moving average. This is the crucial bull market support for BTC dominance. And this is a huge indicator that we're entering alt season. If you guys look, we have not been anywhere close to this since basically January of 2024. These are obviously wicks as we had those massive explosions in terms of vaults, massive explosions in terms of outside capital flowing into the space. But we know that alt season doesn't start that early. It takes time to get there. And we're finally now at this point. In fact, when we even look at this altcoin season index on CoinMarketCap, you guys can see that it's currently at a 67, and a 75 is where they will officially call us entering alt season, right? And again, the crazy thing about this is, we've talked about 225 days post halving or 224 days post halving. We're there. This it's wild. This is the exact day we talked about possibly entering alt season, right? Now, what does this mean from here? Does this mean straight up and to the right? Does this mean that we're just going to move from this point? Not necessarily, right? But what it means is that the moves can get bigger, faster. We will have more bursts of outside capital as time goes on. And again, this is where assets like Shiba Inu tend to perform some of the best as one of the best assets in the market, right? Shib is again at the point where it can move like $1 million market cap. That's what's so crazy about Shib. So are we on this the precipice of making this massive move to the upside? I would say yeah. Now this isn't a guarantee, this isn't financial advice or anything like that, but this is all we've been talking about for Shiba Inu as of late. This preparation for this next big breakout, this next extension, and just like we talked about yesterday, all the fundamentals are aligning with Shib's next move. The timing is aligning with the market perfectly. All right. And this is again why I have my long positions. This is why I haven't closed these. Again, up 81% on that most recent one I've opened. I'm up 694% on the long term one I've had since September 24th. Again, if you guys do want to trade with leverage, feel free to use Margex. There's a referral link in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. So know this here. All right. So we may face a little resistance getting into alt season. And why I'm saying that is yes, the doors are going to open back up, but there are people who try to sell and obviously take advantage when price goes on little pumps here. I wouldn't be surprised by some selling. We're seeing a little resistance even here currently. For example, this is the hourly chart in terms of SHIB. You guys can see what it's doing right on the edge of this trend here. We had a nice breach. We corrected what, like 10% or so, not 10%, like 3%. But we bounced back in a big way. The pressure is still trying to push SHIB out here. And to know that momentum can carry us higher, but it's dependent on what kind of resistance we face here. That may sound kind of non-committal, but I've said that I believe SHIB is going to take a stab at 4028 in very short term. It could be today, could be tomorrow, the next day, but this is where SHIB wants to run to. If we break through here, it's a very quick shot above 403, and then SHIB may in fact be on its way doing one of these, like where we've had these 20+% daily candles many times before. So that's what we need to be prepared for. Alt season just makes this easier. It makes it happen faster. And now the excitement is here for new people to start entering the space. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Where do you think Shib is headed from here? But have a great day. Talk to you guys in the next one. Take care.